Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Shane and I am the owner of Valda Bakery. In this video today, I will be doing a review on the almond and flour sifter that I mentioned in my last video, and we'll see if that is worth purchasing, that is worth having or not. I mean, it's fairly cheap anyways, but I will be doing this video just to show you guys how it works. And if you like it, I will leave the link down below. Alright, so I have my stainless steel bowl here, and this is mixed almond flour and also confectioner sugar, or it's powdered sugar. And this is the electric sifter that I ordered from Amazon. So it looks like this. I think I got this one for about $13. I could be wrong, but I'll leave the link down below just in case if you're interested. It's fairly cheap, you know, it's good to have it, especially if you're doing like tons and tons of baking. It's totally worth having this, because imagine if you have to sift your almond flour and powdered sugar throughout the day while baking. I mean, trust me, it's such a hassle. It's such a hassle having to sift your almond flour and powdered sugar by hand. I hate it, but you know, we have to do what we have to do. But all right, let me start using this. First, I'm gonna put some of my mixed dry ingredients in here. Oh, as you can see, some of it start coming out already. All right. You see that? As you can see, I mean, it sifts super fast. It sifts super fast, which is, this is, to me, it's pretty amazing. It's pretty amazing how fast it can sift. And, you know, just to save your hands and from having to spend a lot of time on sifting, I would say this is definitely worth it, especially if you don't have any help from anyone else and you're actually baking just by yourself. It is so worth it. It is so worth it. But no right or wrong way using these two. However, if it's me, I would still prefer this, just because this, I mean, it's super fine. I don't know if you're able to see in there, but this one is super fine. This one is not as fine. I just wish they will make this one a little bit finer, or as fine as this guy. But you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with either one. They're about the same price. I would say if you, on lazy day, I would go with this. On day that I'm not too lazy, I will go with this one. So it's good to have both. I would definitely keep both and use both. Just depends if I'm lazy or not. But this one do get the job done a lot faster. No doubt on that. However, I will leave the link down below for these two, and if you decide to buy both, great. If not, just think of which one will benefit you or will get your job done. You will get your job done a lot faster. That's how I would look at it. So that is it for my review on this. If you have any questions, make sure to leave it down below, or if you want me to cover anything, leave it down below. And if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!